in this video or in this class, we are going to be talking about HTML. So we are making computing easier. And remember that the facilitator or the trainer that you are having today is none other than Ahebwa Martin. So here are my contacts. You can access me via this account, that telephone number, and at the same time, you can access me via this email. So let us go to what has brought us here. So now, HTML, or what we call HTML overview. What do you think is HTML, my dear friends? So what is HTML, or what do you think is HTML? So we can say that HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it is the most widely used language to write web pages. So HTML, this is a language that is used when creating or writing web pages. That is why we are saying that HTML in full is Hypertext Markup Language, a language that is used to write hypertext markup. So what is a hypertext? Let's say a hypertext refers to the way in which web pages, in brackets, what we are having in brackets here, which is HTML documents here, are linked together. Hypertext refers to the way in which web pages are linked together, or the way how web pages are connected together. Thus, the link available on a web page is called a hypertext. So every link that you see on a web page, it is called a hypertext. So, for example, if I have a website like this one, let's say I have my web page, this Google web page. So let's say that I am to click here. So if I'm to click there, what I'm going to click is what we call a hypertext. So this is, or what we call a hyperlink. So it is taking me to YouTube. So the moment I click it like this, it brings YouTube here in the browser here, where we are seeing something here. I think you can see it here in the browsers bar here, on the search bar here. I think you can see it. So now in the browsers bar here. So let us continue. So as its name suggests, HTML is a markup language, which means you use HTML to simply mark up a text document with tags that tell a web browser how to structure it to display. So as its name suggests, HTML, that is markup language. It means that you use HTML to simply only do markup text documents with tags that tell a web browser how to structure the content and how to display it. So let us continue. So we are saying that originally HTML was developed with the intent of defining the structure of documents like headings, paragraphs, lists, and so forth, to facilitate the sharing of scientific information between researchers. So now HTML is being widely used to format web pages with the help of different tags available in HTML. So that is some background of HTML, why it was developed. They are saying that it was developed with the intent of defining the structure of documents like headings. So we are going to be describing those structures: headings, paragraphs, lists, and others. So now HTML is being widely used to format web pages with the help of different tags available in HTML language. So let us continue and see the basic HTML document. So the basic HTML document in its simplest form, following is an example of an HTML document. So we are having something here in this box here, this thing that I have selected, this thing that I have highlighted. So this text that I have highlighted is a basic HTML document. So in this, we are having a syntax of HTML. So, or what we call the syntax, or the structure of HTML. So we are having doc type, we are having HTML head, title, some here title, ending, closing, head, body, H1P, body, HTML. So all these ones are what we call HTML, the tags that we have been defining above here, the HTML tags. So let us continue. Let us continue and see what they are saying here. They're saying that let's save it in an HTML file, test.html, using your favorite text editor. Finally, open it using a web browser like Internet Explorer or Google Chrome or Firefox, etc. It must show the following output. Let us see the output they are showing us after running it. So this is the output. I think you can see the output after running that code. So let us try to see how do we also run it to make sure that we get the same answer like this one, which is here. This is a heading and document goes here. So let us do it. Let us do it. So they are saying that let us save it in an HTML file called test.html. So using your favorite text editor. So what is a text editor? So in this text editor, this is an application that is used when creating, or that is used to write the code which will be used to display our website. So let us see. Let us see. So we are going to open up a text editor. So we are having different types of text editors. And these text editors include, we have a Notepad, we have a Notepad++, we have Visual Studio Code. So all these ones are used when creating or when editing or writing an HTML document or an HTML file. So let us now see how do we create this. So I'm going to open up my text editor. So in this case, I will open up a Notepad. So what I do, I just come here and click on the start button. Then from the start button, I look for my Notepad. So let us look for the Notepad. Let us look for the Notepad. Notepad. So all simply, you can just come here and type search here. Just type there. On here, search button there, then type Notepad. And the Notepad will come out. So you press enter for it to start. So after it starting here, I can write this code into this text editor here. So meaning I can write this code into this text editor here. So how do I do it? I start typing it. So let us start typing it. So we use the less than, then we are saying exclamation mark, doc type in capital letters, doc type HTML is in small letters. Then we close with this, the greater sign symbol here. Then we press enter. Then we again type HTML. Then we press enter. We again type head. So this is the structure of HTML. So we have title. We have title opening and title closing. Yeah, closing. So we close the title here. Then inside here we have this is document title. This is document title. This is document title. Then after this, there is closing of the head. Closing of the head. Why am I saying closing of the head? This forward slash, this forward slash, there is the compiler, or this the web browser when reading that the head starts from here and the head closes from here. Even here on the title, that the title starts from here and title closes from here. So let us continue. We open up the body tag. This is the body tag. Then we close the body tag. So inside the body tag, it is where we are having the heading H1. H1 stands for heading 1. We are going to be looking at them as we go further. So we are saying that this is a heading. This is a heading. So we can close it somewhere. We close it from here as our H1. Then we continue and open another one, that is the paragraph. So P stands for paragraph. So we say document content. Document content goes here. Document content goes here. So then here I close my paragraph tag. Then from here, I continue and close my HTML tag. So you will end up finding yourself with something like this. So this is the file that we have created. So we have our everything starting and closing. So we save it. They said that we save this file as, they said that we save file as test.html. So we are going to come here and click on file. We are going to come here and click on file. We are going to click on file, save as, save as. Click on file, save as. I can choose to save it on desktop. Then I'm going to call it test dot. They said we save it .htm. So I click save. So after doing this, they said that after saving it like this, they said that finally open it using a web browser like Internet Explorer or Google Chrome or Firefox. So let us see, let us open it through these web browsers. So we are going to go to the desktop and locate for our file. Let us go to the desktop and locate for our file. So on desktop, I am on desktop. Desktop means this free screen that every time a computer does what? Every time a computer starts, so the first screen you see, it is what we call a desktop. So I can use this Internet Explorer, I can use Google Chrome, at the same time I can use Firefox, as how you are seeing it here. This is Firefox, this is Google Chrome, and this one is Internet Explorer. So let me open it through any. So I can choose to open it through Google Chrome. So I just open, I right click, I just right click on the file test, then I choose open with Google Chrome. So after doing that, let us see what it will give us. So I think you can see this is a heading. The document goes here. So I think you are seeing it. Yes, you are seeing it here. This is a heading and document goes here. So my friend, congratulations upon creating your first HTML document or creating your first HTML web page. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Continue to like, continue to subscribe, continue to share, and call other friends to join.